What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So Kamala Harris's birthday is on Wednesday, and it's her first birthday while serving as vice president, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make her family's dressing recipe, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of spicy vegan sausages, 4 stalks of diced celery, 2 diced yellow or white onions, 2 diced apples, 2 boxes of vegetarian Jiffy corn muffin mix, 3/4 cup of vegetable broth, 2/3 of a cup of plant-based milk, half a cup of applesauce, 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter, 1/4 cup of parsley, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of sage, half a teaspoon of rosemary, and half a teaspoon of thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. And I'm out of pepper, so I'll just be using salt. All right, let's put all this together. Genji, you always need attention, don't you? Yeah. All right. And here we have our vegan Kamala Harris cornbread dressing. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.